name is Devendra Kandari. I am regional head in Hepo. Here we are showcasing our range of hinges. We have soft close slide-on hinges. We have soft close clip-on hinges. It is available in 2 holes, 4 holes and eccentric finish. We have our recently launched our blackwoodized hinges. We are pioneer in our thick door hinges. It is suitable for 40 mm thickness door and 30 mm overlays. In Hepo, it is certain that you get assured quality with better price. For more details, please log in to our websites or connect to our dealer and distributor. Thank you.